Hello, I'm here at Automobilico, SM Bikutan, and I'm here with Bernard
I'm your
Liberia.
Car Kuya.
Your Car Kuya.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel also.
Okay, Car Kuya. He has also a YouTube channel.
Hello.
My husband and my brother's over there. Okay, we're here to pick up my brother's car, a Honda BRV.
Eh, pakita mo yung receipt once enough.
Here, and he's paying for the bill.
1 million.
There's Isha. Hi, Isha. Okay. We had my brother's Honda BRV repaired here at Automobilico. Ano ulit ang problem niya?
And Automogawaco.
Automogawaco and at Automogawaco.
Transmission failure. Replace.
Transmission failure, so there's transmission replacement. Okay, so so as you can see, my brother's car is now done.
Perfect
And we
na
are
yan.
about to move it out. Okay. So from Auto Search Philippines, Miriam Barredo. Thank you to Automobilico and Kuya. They call you Car Kuya. Bernard. Bye-bye. Bye.